Dentistry, cost comparison between Europe and Turkey. With regards to dental health, among the most popular treatments individuals require is dentures. Dentures are removable substitutes of missing teeth, as well as tissue surrounding them, offering practical and aesthetic advantages. The cost of dental implants can be a bit different according to the location the patient is located within. In this clip, we'll look at the price of dentures across Europe and Turkey so that you can make an educated choices about the best place to go for this procedure. Cost of dentures in Europe. In Europe, dentures in Europe, costs for dentures can differ depending on the country. Generally speaking, the price of dental implants in Western European countries such as the UK, Germany, and France tend to be more expensive when compared with Eastern European countries like Poland and Hungary. This is because of the different living costs and the cost of labor across these nations. As an example, in the UK, the cost for a set of dental implants can vary between PS 500 up to PS 500 depending on the type of material used and the quality of the dentures. In Germany, prices can be more expensive. The prices range between €500 up to €2,000. This price is prohibitive for a lot of persons, specifically people who don't have dental insurance or who are living on the tightest budget. Cost of dentures in Turkey. In contrast, Turkey has become a very popular tourist destination for dental treatments recently, and with the right reasons. Dental treatments and dentures in Turkey is substantially lower when compared with many European nations. This is due to low cost of labor as well as the lower the cost of living in Turkey, and enables dental centers to provide top-quality dental treatments for a reasonable price. In Turkey, there is a cost for complete dentures could range from $200 to $800 subject to the materials used and denture quality. The cost is less than what dentures cost in Europe and makes it an affordable choice for many. Furthermore, many dentists within Turkey offer packages to visitors from abroad, and may include transportation, accommodation, along with other facilities that make it a practical as well as cost-effective choice for patients traveling from overseas. Quality of dentures. It is vital to keep in mind that the expense of dentures are not the sole consideration in deciding on the best place to obtain this procedure. Quality of dentures and the knowledge of dental experts are significant factors to consider. If you live in Europe, it is possible to expect quality materials, experienced dentists, and expert staff with a more expensive price. In Turkey, there are numerous trusted dental clinics which offer premium dentures and services with a fraction of expense. Prior to making your decision, thoroughly research the dental clinics that are available in Europe as well as Turkey and read the reviews of prior patients, and then consult with your dentist to ensure that you're satisfied with their skills and the high-quality dentures offered. In addition, you need to think about other elements including travel, accommodation, and cost when selecting the best place to purchase dentures. Conclusion. If it comes down to it, when concerns the cost of dentures, Turkey is a cheaper choice compared with many European nations. Offering lower prices and superior procedures, Turkey has become a sought-after location for dental tourism, drawing patients from all over the globe. It is nevertheless essential to look at other elements including quality, knowledge, and ease of access when selecting which denture clinic to visit. If you conduct thorough research, as well as consulting with dental experts, you can come to an informed choice on the best place to receive this vital dental procedure.